Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to customize your Revolut 18 card to make it look unique and personal. Let's get started. First, open the Revolut app on your computer and sign in using your account credentials. Once you're on the main dashboard, click on the Cards tab from the side menu to see your available cards. Next, select your Revolut 18 card from the list of cards displayed. Once opened, look for the Personalize or Customize option. This feature lets you change your card's design and style. Now, choose your preferred card color, design pattern, and add custom text or initials if the option is available. Take your time to preview the design so you're happy with how it looks. After customizing, click on Save or Order to confirm your new card design. Revolut will update your virtual card instantly, and if it's a physical card, it will be printed and shipped with your new design. Finally, check your Cards tab to confirm your updated design and make sure your customized card is ready to use. And that's it. Your Revolut 18 card is now fully personalized to match your style. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.